How to recover your Discord account with lost Authenticator. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your any browser of your choice in your computer. After that, you have to tap in the search bar and search for Discord. You can either enter Discord or you can also directly enter discord.com, and from here you will be able to see this interface. So here you have to click on support option over here. By clicking on support, you will be able to see this interface, and here you have to click on submit a request, which is in the right hand side. After clicking on it, you have to click over here and type hacked account, or you can select hacked account over here. By doing that, you'll be able to see this interface where you have to enter your information. So you can simply select the box and enter your informations. For example, here is your email address. So here you have to enter your email address of the account which you want to recover. And similarly, here you have to enter your username correctly. And here you have to enter your email associated with the account before it was compromised. So it is given in the note that please submit your ticket from the email associated with the account before it was compromised. We are unable to assist you if you do not write in the form the correct email address. So you have to enter your correct email address. In case you didn't write correct email address, then they won't be able to recover it. After submitting, you have to scroll down below and you'll be able to see suspicion of how you believe the account was compromised. So here you can simply click on the drop down arrow over here and select the option. For example, if you have clicked on a link and your account has been hacked, then you can simply select this option, and here are also other options. So here you can select any of the option according to your problem. After that, you have to go to the next box. It has been asked that whether you have received an email from Discord explaining your account associated email address was recently changed or not. So if you have received the email, then you have to simply click on yes. Then if you haven't, then you can select no. After that, you can scroll down below and enter a subject over here. Here you can type that your account has been hacked and now you want to recover. And similarly, in the description, you have to click and describe your problem that you want to recover your Discord account. And by doing that, you can simply click on submit. And after doing that, your Discord account will be recovered. So by following this simple step, you can recover your Discord account with lost Authenticator. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.